Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 24th, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.21. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend downward. This indicates a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With this trend broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $223.35. A reaction back to this level may present a second opportunity to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 5.73% over the next 3 months, with a prospective return ranging from 6% to 24.96%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 42.87% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 42.87% and 69.78%. This translates to a price range of $318.29 to $378.24 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Apple as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The Apple stock price decreased by nearly 0.4% on the last day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, dropping from $223.66 to $222.78. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.91%, with a daily low at $221.41 and a daily high of $225.63. The price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, marking an overall decrease of more than 8% during this period. Additionally, volume decreased alongside the stock on the last day, which is generally viewed as a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow stock movements. On the last day, trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 53 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.72 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $260.09, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 14.35%, or $37.31, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is encountering considerable challenges as it faces a difficult beginning to 2025, with its stock declining 11% year-to-date, positioning it as the least favorable performer among the Magnificent Seven tech stocks. Analyst Dan Ives indicates that the company may have reached a low point, suggesting a potential turnaround. However, the current circumstances raise concerns regarding support levels, particularly around $220 to $222. On a positive note, the adoption of iOS 18 is noteworthy, reaching 68% across compatible devices, reflecting strong user engagement within Apple's ecosystem. Nevertheless, there are ongoing worries about decreasing iPhone sales, especially in China, which could affect revenue. While some analysts do not anticipate significant earnings misses, the sluggish iPhone cycle and integrated AI enhancements may postpone a complete recovery in stock performance. Short-term volatility seems probable, particularly with the forthcoming first-quarter earnings expected to align with conservative projections. The longer-term effects will depend on Apple's ability to innovate and restore market confidence, especially as it deals with valuation pressures and competitive dynamics within the tech sector. Investors should closely monitor these developments, as they will undoubtedly impact AAPL's stock trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 21st, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned AAPL a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 9th, 2025, Barclays rated AAPL as underweight, also with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7th, 2025, MoffettNathanson issued a sell grade for AAPL, implementing a downgrade action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, Bernstein provided AAPL with an outperform grade while maintaining a hold action. On Wednesday, December 18th, 2024, Daiwa also gave AAPL an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts recommend the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 629/10,000%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, there are also some negative signals that may influence the near short-term development. The Apple stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $227 and $243.05. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 171 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $222.72. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock displays average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.22 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.91%. In the past week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.98%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $224.23. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $222.72. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in the year 2025, Parek Kevin conducted an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December in the year 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted another insider sale of 34,752 shares of common stock. On that same day, Williams Jeffrey E. sold an additional 42,939 shares of common stock. Finally, on the 16th of December, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted a sale of 8,384 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 27.595. Overall, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock currently shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Apple will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. As a result, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we expect Apple to open with an increase of approximately 49 cents, starting trading at $223.27. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us at StockInvest.